It is not just an impact on the oil market alone. The stock markets are directly correlated in terms of how the oil is performing, because that's one of the major commodities which is used as a reference. And not only that, even the US dollar has also had a huge impact in terms of the value, in terms of the fall in value that we have seen this morning. And not to mention Saudi Arabia themselves, the IPO that they had released later last year, their value have also dropped by the maximum allowed 10% for the day as of today, means earlier today. And
number 10.
Saudi has not only lost the price of the oil that they are, or rather a drop in the price in the oil, but also a drop in valuation what they were initially expecting for. Again, it comes down to how long they can sustain and how long they can go ahead with that. But considering both Saudi is majority operated and owned on the backing of the government assets and the government revenues, so they have a much higher advantage because they are not heavily reliant on external investors to come in and pump their volumes, or private investors or players to come in and pump their investments into the production of oil from their country, which essentially gives them a slightly upper hand compared to the others. There is going to be more and more pressure in terms of the oil prices, mainly because there is more than enough sufficiently available barrels that could be made available to the market. And even though the pricing is competitive from the demand side, it is still a question of how much they can absorb from their side.